Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back, it's Steve again. Today I wanted to do a quick video to piggyback on my good friend Binh Dong's video.
Hi, Steve! Woo! Yeah! Now, this is gonna be a cool install. Go, Steve! Go, Steve! Don't mess it up.
I got my Sony ZV-E10 last Wednesday. I'm recording on that right now. But I totally forgot to buy a screen protector. Just so happens last week, Binh posted how easy it is to install the Expert Shield glass screen protector on your ZV-E10. And I am not sponsored by them. Binh's been using this for a while. He says they work great. He got this thing put on his Sony ZV-E10 in less than 5 seconds. What he did was he put the phone face down, wiped it off with the cloth, and literally just dropped the screen on, and it was perfect. Now we'll put him to the test to see if his technique is as easy or is he just a master at putting on screen protectors. Well, we'll be the judge. Since I'm recording on the ZV-E10 right now, I'm going to set it up to put the screen protector on. I'll probably record with my Sony a7 III, and then I'll do my outro again with the ZV-E10. So let's go try to get this glass screen protector on my ZV-E10. All right, let's go.
Hiya! Install very easy. Oh, yeah!
All right, I have everything set up. I have the glass screen protector from Expert Shield. I'm actually just going to use this duster as well. He's a pro at this. I am not. So just get a little dust off. And like he said, it comes with the cloth, the instructions, and right there, a couple of screen protectors. Just like he said in his video. So far so good, Binh. Alright, now it's time to wipe down the screen, I suppose. Let's get in there. Hopefully I don't have any scratches from the last week. That looks pretty good though. Just need to get them all off. That looks good. Let's just put that there for now. Put those to the side. All right. He also said do not rip the bag apart. All right. He said just peel it off and place it on. Step 1, it says peel off the mask this side down, but nothing is peeling with it. So, all right, here goes nothing. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see. So line it up and drop it on. All right, then he said press the middle. And I think I got it actually. I actually freaking think I got it. He said just get the bubbles out. And it should be fine. Looks good. Oh, get some of those out. Well, pretty damn good. There might be some bubbles underneath, really, really small ones, but I really don't care. As long as my screen is protected, I'm all good. Bam. That was actually pretty easy to do, to be honest. So, Mr. Binh Dong, I give you 1, 2 thumbs up. Really easy. It was a lot easier than I thought it would be. The trick is always to remove the dust and then just pray that more doesn't get under between the time you move it and you put the screen on. But these Expert Shield screen protectors are pretty good and really easy to install. Throw that on the floor. And yeah, I got it on my Sony ZV-E10 now, right on the back. And I don't know if you could see, but it's pretty good. Doesn't look half bad. You might not be able to see, but there's a little, looks like an air pocket right here. And a little bit over here. But I don't really care too much about that because this is just protecting what's underneath it. It's on straight. It's gonna protect the screen and it's not gonna fall off. That's all I really care about. Over time, that'll probably smooth it out anyway. So I say out of 10 stars, the Expert Shield screen protector for the Sony ZV-E10 is a 10. It is really easy to put on. You literally just drop it, press it, smooth out the air pockets, and it's good to go. I'll put the link, actually, maybe I'll put Binh's affiliate link in the description below.
Everybody use my affiliate link in the description below. Oh yeah.
And so all you guys could purchase it if you have the Sony ZV-E10, you could get the screen protector. It's a little bit more expensive than the cheaper versions or some other brands, but sometimes when it comes to saving 800 bucks for your camera or just 25 bucks for a new screen protector, I would rather replace the screen protector. A wise man, Mr. Dong, told me that. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace, guys.
Why should you buy Expert Shield? Because they're amazing. Oh yeah. They got great customer service and, you know, the products might be a little more expensive than, you know, the Chinese knockoffs or the cheap stuff that you find on Amazon or eBay, but the Expert Shield has excellent customer service and their product are top notch. You know you're gonna get quality products with Expert Shield. Oh yeah.